Well, welcome back to remote learning. This is Mr. Libby with ICP. I'm going to work with you purple kids. Silver kids, you're probably already done with this stuff. I'm going to say silver kids, you can probably just finish what you're doing last week. Purple kids, what you need to do is you're going to come to our integrated chemistry and physics class. You're going to say show more, and yours will be here. I don't have yours posted because I post on Monday. I'll show you what silver kids did. This is what you're going to do. There's weekly planner, there's scavenger hunt, there's the atoms family, build an atom. That's another video that I'm going to show you. And then you have two things to do at home. A Bill Nye video and a web quest. So when you get to number two, number one is just the notes that I emailed you earlier, or you can get them from there. If you'd like to print those and put them in your notebook, great, or copy them. So when you look at this, there's the scavenger hunt and the signs. So I've opened them both up here. This is the scavenger hunt, and these are the signs. So when you click that and open it up, this is a scavenger hunt. It says you're going to find all this stuff. This is from the notes. There's the atomic mass goes on the upper left, the number bottom, and the symbol over here. And we're going to go over this, and when we need the signs, I'll show you the signs. So right here, the atomic number is always a number of protons. So whatever the atomic number is the number of protons. So you're just going to do 6. Since all the protons are 6, all the atomic numbers are 6. The mass is always the protons plus the neutrons. And you'll see that as you take your notes. 6 plus 6 is 12. 6 plus 7 is 13. And 6 plus 8 is 14. And when the element for number 6, when you look on that periodic table, 6 is carbon. So you say this is carbon dash, and then the mass number, that's carbon 12. This is carbon 13. And this is carbon 14. So again, they're all carbon because they all have 6 protons. 6 is carbon. And then the mass goes afterwards, carbon 14. Isotope notation, again, the mass number goes up here. That's 14. Oh, that's terrible. Why is it too big? Just make it smaller, see if it fits. There's 14 is teeny. I guess I'll just leave it. All right. The mass number was 6, and the letter was capital C. This is 13. This is 6. This is still C. This is still C. This is still 6. Not C. And this is now 14. All right. So that's kind of how you do it. You can kind of see sorry. I did 14 up here. Why did I do 14 up here? That should be 12. Because it says 12 right there. Okay. So that's how you do the pre-lab part. You're going to get pictures that look like this. So these pictures over here, number one, there's number one. It looks like this. I need you to be able to count the protons. Protons have a plus. Neutrons have nothing, like, for example, this one, these red ones have nothing in them. Those are neutrons. So there's 1 proton. There are 0 neutrons. Here's an electron right here with a minus. That's 1 electron. The atomic number is always a number of protons, so that's 1. The atomic mass is protons plus neutrons. It's 1 plus 0, which is 1. And the element name for this is going to be hydrogen, because hydrogen is number 1. Hydrogen 1. All right, again, the mass number is 1. The isotope notation is 1. And it's capital H. Now you say, okay, here's number 2. Here's number 2. So we're going to go to number 2. There's 1 proton, 1 neutron, 1 electron. So here we go. We're going to go 1 proton, 1 neutron, 1 electron. The atomic number is protons plus neutrons, so that's going to be 2. Right? The atomic number is a number of protons, that's 1. Atomic mass is protons plus neutrons, that's 2. And this element is hydrogen 2. And you just fill it out. So the mass number goes up on top, you put 2 there. Atomic number on the bottom, symbol is capital H, and you're off and running. Good luck. If you have questions, please shoot me an email and we'll talk.